My focus is on doing the normal things, just staying in the present, just focusing on what I need to do in my sport, in my life, and not get too attached to anything else, because it can get dangerous, because I understand that this is going to end one day, and I don't want to be addicted to something that I will not have one day.
Keeping up with their physical effort. Life is not similar for everyone, and that we've seen. It's not fair for everyone. Someone has to work harder, someone doesn't have to work that hard. So that's the way it is. Everyone has to accept those situations, accept that scenario, and then
understand myself better. And I guess that's a gradual change, but the one thing is that I've always been myself. I've never tried to be someone else because of the opinion. And hence I learned from my own mistakes. I realized my own mistakes myself, and just kept correcting them through.
Again, my point, if you understand that this is part of you, then you make an effort. If you understand that, or you accept that this can be neglected or this can be taken for granted, then you will never take that step. So that's stuff like that. But I think the overall development of your body physically and mentally is so very important, which people do not pay attention to. It's taken for granted, to be honest. Sense of detachment from what I'm doing. कि यार मुझे नहीं करना. But that has been because of excessive pressure that's been on me during a difficult phase. But still, I've had the ability to still tell myself, नहीं, I'll go out and try once more. जिस दिन वो खत्म हो गई ना कि go out and try once more, फिर नहीं आप कर सकते. फिर no one can convince you. No chance.
So what is the motivation?
Motivation is just about winning. जिस दिन passion खत्म हो गया, I'll stop playing. I'll never want to drag myself for more than my body can take. जिस दिन I feel like यार I'm standing on the field thinking यार why am I doing this? तो वो passion नहीं है ना जीतने का, वो energy नहीं है जीतने की, मैं नहीं खेल सकता, मैं खेल ही नहीं सकता. And there'll just be a participation thing कि चलो आपको skill है, आपको खेलने का idea, तो आपने run बना दिए.